Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we are going to start our English speaking part 84. Now we are going to discuss about how to use instruction and order related sentences in our English language. So friends, let's start our English speaking part 84. Instruction or order. In Hindi it means निर्देश और आज्ञा. Whenever we have seen friends, whenever we bring any item to our home, there is user manual within it. So first of all we read user manual, then after that we operate the instrument. So similarly this is known as instruction or order, when we give instruction or command or order to another person to do our work. So friends, let's start. आप अपना काम करें. So in English it means do your work. We normally say friends when to another person, please आप अपना काम करें, means do your work. So it is a instruction and order type sentence. उसे स्टेशन तक छोड़ाओ. So in English it means see him off at the station. As we have seen in our life friends, when someone come to our home and we need to drop them at the station, so we normally say please उसे स्टेशन तक छोड़ाओ. So in English it means see him off at the station. So basically it is a instruction or order type sentence because another person is ordering us to leave that person to the railway station. सच कहना झूठ ना बोलना. So in English it means speak the truth, don't lie. So friends, basically it is a saying also that we should always speak the truth and we should not lie. So सच कहना झूठ ना बोलना means speak the truth, don't lie. यह कोट पहनकर देखो. So in English it means try this coat on. Whenever you bring any shirtings or any clothes to wear, so people at home usually say please try this once please try once again. So यह कोट पहनकर देखो. So in English it means try this coat on. So it is also a friends instruction or order type sentence. दिल लगाकर काम करो. So in English it means work wholeheartedly. So the sentence basically is a saying and it is basically an instruction type sentence because the another person is giving suggestions. He is saying दिल लगाकर काम करो. So in English it means work wholeheartedly. So it is a order or instruction type sentence. मेरे लिए एक ग्लास ताज़ा जल लाओ. So in English it means fetch, get me a glass of fresh water. As usually it happens at our home friends, when we need a glass of water we normally say please मेरे लिए एक ग्लास पानी लेकर आओ. So in English it means fetch or get me a glass of fresh water. So it is a order, command or instruction type sentence because we are basically giving instruction or giving order to another person to give us a glass of water. ज़रा नरमी से बात करो. So in English it means talk politely, be polite. So the sentence basically means that we are basically giving instruction to another person that he should talk to us in a polite way. Means ज़रा नरमी से बात करो. So in English it means talk politely, be polite. So it is an instruction or order giving sentence friends because we are requesting another person to be humble and be polite towards us. हिसाब चेक कर लो. So in English it means check the accounts. Usually at office when we do work, then any person comes to us and he says that please हिसाब चेक कर लो एक बार, that कोई mistake ना हो जाए, please हिसाब चेक कर लो. So in English it means check the accounts. So friends, basically it is a instruction or order type sentence because another person is ordering us to check the accounts. गर्म चाय को धीरे धीरे पियो. So in English it means sip the hot tea slowly. As we have seen friends, when we try to sip hot tea, our tongue gets burnt. So it is always advised that गर्म चाय को धीरे धीरे पियो. So sip the hot tea slowly. So friends, basically it is a instruction or order type sentence. यहाँ गाड़ी खड़ी करना मना है. So in English it means parking is not allowed here. The sentence basically means that there is at a particular place गाड़ी खड़ना मना है, मतलब गाड़ी खड़ी करने को वहाँ पे मना करा गया है. So in English it means parking is not allowed here. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence and it is a instruction or order type sentence. दो संतरे निचोड़ दो. So in English it means squeeze two oranges. The sentence basically means that दो संतरे हैं जिसको निचोड़ने की बात कही गई. हो सकता है निचोड़ के उनका रस निकाला जाए, तो संतरों को निचोड़ने के लिए बोला गया, जो कि संतरे एक प्रकार का फल होता है. So in English it means squeeze two oranges. So basically it is a order or command type sentence because another person is giving command or order to another person to squeeze two oranges. बाएं हाथ चलो. So in English it means keep to the left. The sentence basically is an instruction or order type sentence because the person is saying कि भाई बाएं हाथ पे चलो means keep to the left. So it is an instruction or order type sentence. मुझे सुबह उठा देना. So in English it means wake me up early in the morning. The sentence basically means that the person is saying कि मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठा देना. So in English, wake me up early in the morning. So friends, basically it is a order and command or instruction type sentence because the person is ordering another person to wake him up early in the morning. अपने आप को सुधार लो. So in English it means mend your ways. The sentence basically means that the person is basically giving instruction or order to another person कि भाई अपनी आदतें सुधार लो या अपने आप को सुधार लो. Means mend your ways. As we see friends, when someone is not regular, irregular, so we always say कि भाई अपने आप को सुधार लो, अपनी आदतें सुधार लो. So in English it means mend your ways. So it is also an instructional order type sentence. पर्दा कर दो. So in English it means draw the curtain. The sentence basically is an order and instruction type sentence friends because the person is saying पर्दा कर दो मतलब उसको ढक दो. So in English it means draw the curtain. So it is an instructional order type sentence because curtain we normally use at our home to cover windows or to cover doors etc. उसे सारा शहर दिखा दो. So in English it means take him round the city. When someone relatives or friends come to our home, we normally, if he wants to visit our city, we normally try to take him throughout the city. So उसे सारा शहर दिखा दो. So in English it means take him round the city. So it is also an instruction or order type sentence. मेहमान को अंदर ले आओ. So in English it means bring the guest in. When someone comes to our home to visit us, basically he stands outside our main door or gate. So we normally try to bring them inside our home. So मेहमान को अंदर ले आओ. So in English it means bring the guest in. So it is an instruction or order type sentence because our parents are basically ordering us to bring the guest inside our home. So friends, this was the English speaking part 84 in which I tried to explain you about instruction and order type sentences, that how do we use them in our English language. So I hope friends you would have find it easier to understand about instruction and order type sentences. Basically instruction and order means we give nirdesh or agya to do work. So friends, I wrote down the sentences in Hindi and side by side translated you in English so that you may find it easier to understand. So friends, kindly practice these sentences in your spare time. Either try to talk in front of mirror or try to talk with your friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. And ultimately with the passage of time, your English language will improve and your confidence will boost up, and ultimately you will find that English language is quite simple, easy and efficient to learn, read, write and speak. And friends, kindly like, share, subscribe my channel, and please do press the bell icon in the subscription box, and I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So friends, please keep supporting me so that I may bring you more interesting English speaking topics which could prove to be an asset for you and which could help you in brushing up your fluent English communication in front of another person. So friends, keep practicing day by day and ultimately you will become a fluent English speaker. So friends, thanks for your valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.